Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 BMW 328i. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. BMW prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, rain-sensing wipers, and seat memory. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.